Acha, now look at it. Fill in the blanks using the given words. Look. What are the words? Output, CRT, keyboard, scanner, LCD, printout, instrument. Okay. Now there are some blank. We have to put the appropriate word. Okay. First one, commands to the computer with the help of dash. There is blank. Achha, usually we give commands to the computer by using keyboard or mouse. Na? If we type, then this thing has been shown to the computer monitor. Yes, to Spondon. Or suppose we click on something by the mouse. Then also, suppose we want to place a video. Okay, we want to play a video, then we click by using the mouse. Na? Or we want to type anything by using keyboard. Yes, to Aryan Orinda. Fatia Sultana. Acha, okay, basically turn on your camera. So, which one will be the answer for the first one? Here, mouse is not given. So, the answer will be keyboard. Let me write the answers. Question answer of one. Keyboard. Next, answer of 2. A dash is an optical device that reads a printed page and converts it to a graphic image for the dash. 2 blanks are there. What will be the answer? A scanner is an optical device. Yes, no, yes or no, it is already done. So write a scanner. Number 2 answer. SCANNER. CANNER. Next one, the second blank will be computer. Computer. Or Priya completed? Diya? The third one. The device which shows us the information or result are called dash devices. The device which shows us information. Yesterday done na? Output. Number 3, the answer. Output. The fourth one I am writing here. A microphone is an dash used to put sound into a computer. Is an instrument. Write this one. Next, the fifth one. The paper copy from the printer. Again, I am reading. The paper copy which we get from the printer is called a printout. The fifth one. Printout. Now the Farhan Akhtar, Ankush and Ayman completed. Farhan Akhtar, Ankush and Ayman. Jinia Akhtar, Rahat, Danto. Okay, the next one, sixth one. There are two types of monitors. What are they? CRT and LED, okay? CRT and LCD. Complete. Rahat, Zubair, done. Chaisha, Afroz Ali, Shanad. ये completed, okay? Jinia completed, yes or no? Ankush Chandan Das. Those who have completed, Acha. Sultana Atrai, Orindam completed? No, Acha, okay, I am waiting. Number B. Take the correct one. A dash looks like a television screen. From the very first day you are learning about this. Monitor. Acha, two false has not been done. Na? Okay, let us complete first. True, false. Okay. Now the next one. Say we can print important data, greetings card, photos with printer na? With Diamanna will say, what will be the answer? Keyboard or printer or scanner or mouse? Dia say, Orindam, what will be the answer? Good. So printer will be the correct answer. Spondon. Say the third one. A normal keyboard has how many keys? Ritosri, a normal keyboard has how many keys? What will be the answer? Rahat, good. But Rahat, rename yourself. Very good, Rahat. Acha, next one. The fourth one, Orko Priya. A microphone is an instrument used to put dash into the computer. Which one will be? A, voice, B, sound, which one? C, speech, D, mouse. Orko Priya. Sound to. Okay, good. Have you completed these 4 questions? Yes, good. Now let me complete 2 false. Rahat, sound, that is very good. But Rahat, now rename yourself. Acha, the first one. The computer mouse is an output device. Yes or no? Rabiul, it is true or false? False. Write if over there. False, okay? Now this one, number 2, the second one. Second one is given a mouse is also called a pointing device. Yes, this is true too. Ayman Karan, this one is true. Yes, good. So write T. Let me write T properly. Okay, T. True, okay? Jinia Akhtar will say the third one. Jinia, we use a joystick while playing games on the computer. True or false? Where is Jinia? Achha, Jennifer, you can also say. Atrei, Jennifer, what will be the answer? True. Okay, the fourth one, Atrei, a scanner is used to scan the image and text. Atrei, T or F? True, good. Atrei, you are saying false. Acha, true. Now the fifth one. What is given in fifth one? A printer is the primary output device used to get the printed copy. Also, Ankush, Ritoshri, Otrinektas, true, right? Now the sixth one. The computer monitor is an input device. No, na. It is an output. Or it will be F. I have taken a screenshot. I'll upload this in the study material section. Don't worry. All of you completed this one. Orindam completed. Jishan, Shamraj, Shaugato, Shadik Faran. Completed? Okay. Aryan Ahmad, Shakibuddin and Alia Yasmin. Okay, good. Computer desktop. Now I am giving you some time to take out your math copy. Just 4 questions I'll give you. Just 4 questions I'll give you to solve. Okay. Jubair can't sit properly. There is too much network issue. Even you cannot talk or intentionally you are doing it. Now the next one. Acha, give today's date, put today's date. Write maths revision. First question. 2/7 is equal to dash in word. Now the second question. The largest 3-digit number is an even or odd. Third one. Next question. The sum of, acha, wait. 16 and smallest is equal to dash number. The answer will be even or odd. Achha, not dash number is equal to just write dash. Huh? You have to write the answer only. Now dash number in bracket even or odd. Complete up to this. I am giving you 2 minutes. Question. Okay, only I am giving you 4 minutes. Within this 4 minutes, complete it. Dia, within this 4 minutes, those who have completed, they can send me the hand raise sticker. Okay. Those who completed, they can send me the hand raise sticker. Only 10 students. Afroz Ali done. Achha. Priya done. Achha, listen, I'll solve this. Huh? You will have to just check your answer, whether it is matching or not. Okay, Fatia? Orkopriya, you will just check whether it is matching or not. Achha, Orkopriya, just check the answer. All of you, I am telling, check the answer. Huh? It will be 2 sevens. It has matched. Atrei, Farhan Akhtar, Dia, Spandon, Anku. Achha, the largest 3-digit number is an even or odd. You have to write. You cannot write 999. It will be wrong, huh? Because here the options are given. You have to write only this answer, which are given in these two options. So the answer is 999. So now this one is even or odd? Definitely odd. Complete this one. The third one. The is equal to 16 plus 10, because the smallest 2-digit number is 10. So the answer will be 26. Now the fourth one. Acha, don't multiply this one, huh? Why? Because if we multiply any number by 6, look, as there is 1 given. 6 1 is 6, so no need to do the whole multiplication. Jinia, understood? Jinia, Farhan Akhtar, Ayman, Srijita. So it will be an even number. Complete this one first. Complete this one. Now I'll check the copies.